Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hi, my name is Sydney. I film cruelty-free beauty videos, and today's video is going to be my project pan finale. I'm so excited about this video, you guys. I'm so tired of using these products. A, that's partially why I'm excited, but B, this has been by far my most successful project pan yet, and I am so excited to share the progress that I've made on these products with you guys. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Alright guys, so let's hop into the products that I've been working on for the past 4 months. If you guys haven't been keeping up with this series, I've decided to do 3 4-month-long project pans for the year of 2020, and honestly, after trying it for this first round, I'm probably never going back to a year-long project pan. This has been absolutely amazing. When I set these goals at the beginning of the year, I really wasn't sure how much progress I could realistically make in 3 months, so this has been a really eye-opening experience and a really fun experiment. So let's hop into the products. Alright you guys, so if you watched my last update, you'll know that I already completed 1 item in this project, and I think when I was cleaning the other day, I already tossed it, but it was the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer. I was so excited to finally finish up this bronzer. As soon as I finished up that bronzer, I gave myself permission to buy some more bronzers because I felt like I just had too many in my collection for a little while, so I was super duper happy to get rid of that one. I talked a little bit more in depth about how many uses it took me to use up that bronzer and all that good stuff in my last update video, so I will link that down below if you guys are interested in that. But I do want to talk about the other products in this project. So the next one that I want to talk about is another empty, and I am so proud of this one. It is the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana powder. I think it was a bronzer, but it was definitely not a bronzer. I used this as kind of a glowy setting powder, and I really dug my heels in this month and used it up. So my goal to use it this month was 20 uses. That was very ambitious for the amount of product that was left in here. I completed it this month after 8 uses, and in total it took me 85 uses to finish off this product. I did hit my goal with this one. My end goal for this project was to totally use this product up, and I did, and I am so proud of myself. I'm so excited to get another cruelty-free product out of my collection and just get use out of the makeup that I have. So super duper excited about this one. And I'm excited I can throw this thing away finally. Next up, we have my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Between the Sheets. At the beginning of this project, I just hit a goal to hit pan on this because I really had no idea how the Super Shock Cheek formula would react to being panned or being used a lot. I had no idea if I would even be able to hit pan, and as you guys can see, I did hit pan. I set a goal to use it this month a total of 20 times. I used it 8 times. Really was not in the mood to use these products anymore this month, but I'm still incredibly happy with my progress. I definitely hit my goal. I now know kind of what to expect from these Super Shock Cheeks. I do have a couple other in my collection that I may pan eventually, but I definitely had fun panning this one. I really do love the tone of it, and I'm just really proud of the progress that I made, you guys. So to get this amount of pan on this product, I used this a total of 85 times throughout the project, throughout the past 4 months, and I am so happy with that amount of progress. I'm really happy, you guys. This is the best I've ever done at project panning. Okay, I'm gonna save my worst product for last, but next up we have the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot. My fridge is being really loud, I'm sorry. I kind of threw this one in as kind of a, I don't really like this product, but I want to use it up and get it out of my collection, so let's see how much progress we can make. My end goal for this product was to just make a significant dip in it, and I hope you guys are going to be able to tell on camera, but I've definitely hit that goal. I have no idea how close I am to hitting pan, and the thought of like sticking my finger in there and digging around to try to hit pan really grosses me out, so I'm just gonna keep on using this. I definitely still don't really like this product. It's really not my favorite eye base. I would definitely not repurchase it, but I did set a goal to use this product 15 times this month. I used it 14 times, so not too shabby, and I used it a total of 68 times throughout this project. So I'm really happy that I stuck with this product. I really wanted to just throw it out of the project several times, but I'm happy with the usage that I got out of it, and I'm really hoping throughout the rest of this year I can continue to use it and get it out of my collection. So the last product that I threw into this project was my Bite Beauty lip pencil in the shade Rhubarb. You guys, this one was a struggle for me. For a while I was doing super good on it. I was making a ton of progress. I was excited about it, and then at about 2.5 months I decided I didn't really want to use this lippy as on a super consistent basis anymore, and it's really just been downhill from here. My overall goal was to use up half of this product. I didn't hit that goal, unfortunately, but I did get some usage out of it. I may next time do like lip products in like 2-month segments. That may work better for me. I'm not really sure. I'm trying to learn to be really flexible with myself with project panning because it is very personal, and the way that I like to use my makeup is that I like to bounce around and try new things all the time and switch it up. so it's not always my favorite thing to stick to a certain product for very long, especially like a lip product where I'm constantly changing it up anyways based on the look I'm wearing. So I'm glad that I got some usage out of this, but I didn't hit my goal. I used it a total of 46 times throughout the project, so not terrible but not great. And then the final product that I want to just briefly mention is my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I kind of threw this in as like a last minute product addition, and I'm actually going to put it into my next project pan, I think, or maybe not. I don't know, I can't decide. I might put it in my next project pan, but I think it might be gone before then. I did repress it a couple of days ago, but I feel like it's just super duper powdery now, so when I stick my brush in there, there's just like so much kick up in the pan, so I'm not really going to turn it upside down or even do a close-up on it. I did get some usage out of this one. I think I can finish this up pretty quickly, actually. I used it 9 times this month. I set a goal of 20, but as I said, I've been kind of bouncing around. Done some stress shopping lately, and I wanted to try those new products, so I haven't necessarily been using these as much as I possibly could. But once again, I'm just so pleased with the progress that I was able to make. I'm definitely doing the same structure for my next project pan round. I actually already filmed that video. Then I also filmed a video chatting about some products that I want to throw into that project pan. I thought it would be super fun to kind of come on camera, chat about them, get your feedback on them, because I'm not really a very experienced project panner. So I thought maybe I could share the products that I was thinking of panning and get some feedback from you guys on whether or not you thought those were a good idea, what struggles you've had panning those kind of products, what successes you've had. It was so much fun to film and so fun to hear your feedback, so I'll also link that down below. But I'm gonna stop chatting. I feel like I'm just blabbering on at this point. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your proudest panning accomplishment is. Like, if we were going to like a project panner conference or like a project panner meetup, that would be kind of fun. What would be your like accomplishment of panning, what that you would rave about? Let me know down below. That's such a weird, goofy question, but let me know down below. I'd love to chat about it, but I'm gonna stop talking and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. No, my camera's dying. I've decided to do 4, no. I feel like I look too shiny, you guys. We need some powder. I'm gonna take a little break. My memory card got full, and then my camera got stuck on my tripod. I'm driving the struggle bus today, if you couldn't tell.